Hello YouTube, Chachi back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix there are currently no power options available in Windows computer. So you may have Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating system, but when you click here the power option, it will say that there are currently no power options available. So if you are facing such problems on this video, we are going to see 6 solutions to solve this problem. So let's start from solution number 1. So the first solution is run the power troubleshooter. So to make the troubleshoot, select here the search icon and type here settings. Here the settings, then open the settings, and under the settings you will under the system here you will find under the bottom you will find troubleshoot, then open the troubleshoot, and here you will find other troubleshooter. So open the other troubleshooter. After that go to the bottom and you will find here power option. So under the power option you will find run. So select run. It will start detecting issues related with power. So there are different power options, so it's going to detect related with all the power adapters. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed, and after the detecting process completed, check whether the power options are get back or not. So after performing the troubleshooter, if the power options are not still available, then the second option is restoring the power option using the CMD. So in order to do that, just open here search icon and type here CMD. Then after that, here the command prompt open, select, right click on it and select run as administrator. So it will ask you a confirmation, then select yes. Then after that, here the CMD opened. So click on here, I have a command which I'm going to use it, so I'll put the link under the description box. You'll find this notepad. So restore the power option using command. So use this command, the first one, power CFG restore default schema. So select this and copy it. So after you click that, then select the CMD and paste it here and press enter. So it restored. So after that, restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether the power options are get back or not. If the power options are still missing, again open your search bar and click the CMD and click it again as an administrator and use the second command, this one. Copy this one and paste it here and press enter. So it may take some time to finish. So here the task has completed and it says some information. So close your CMD and restart your computer. Or else if the restarting is not working, you can use your power button on your computer. So after the restart, check whether the functions are get back or not. If the problem is still occurring, then solution number 3 is editing the local group policy. So click here the search icon and type here gpedit.msc. So here the gpedit.msc, then open it. And after we find here the gpedit or the local group policy editor, here we should have to follow this user configuration administrative template, this hierarchy. So here we are under the user configuration, then open the administrative template. After that, so after you open the administrative template, then click here start menu and taskbar here. And you will find here lists of different options. So on the left side here we find different settings and find for remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep and hibernate commands. So here to the bottom you'll find remove here, Let me make it more wide. Here we find remove and prevent access to shutdown, restart, sleep, and hibernate command. So double click on it and it will open this command. So you will find different categories not configured, enabled, disabled. So make sure it's disabled. And after you select the disabled one, then go here to the bottom and you will find apply. Select apply. In my case, it's already disabled, that's why. And select OK. Then after that, close your local group policy editor and check whether the problem related with no power option is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the next solution would be the editing your registry editor. So in order to edit the setting under the registry editor, click on the search icon here and type here reg edit. Then you will find your registry editor. Then open the registry editor. So here the registry editor opened. So after the registry editor opened, make sure you click on the file and you export or backup it. So make sure you backup your registry editor in case the setting that we changed is not functioning well. You can get your backup in registry editor. So in my case, it's already backed up. So give a file and save it so it will be backed up, and anytime you want you can import and get back to the previous registry editor. So under the registry editor, here I have some directory. Just copy this path to your registry editor path, copy the path and paste it here and press enter. So here we are under the Explorer option, the final option, and under the Explorer option, just find no close setting. So here under, in my case, there is no close. So if you find the no close option, just click on it and change the value data to 0. So let's take just an example. If it is, this one is no close, this is no drive types, just double click on it and make the value to 0. If you find no close on your category, then the value data into 0, then click OK and close your registry editor. Then check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is again occurring, then the next solution would be editing your local security policy. So to edit your local security policy, again click here the search icon and type here secpol.msc. So here the local security policy open, so click on it. So you'll find your local security policy. Then after you find that, open here the local policy. After it open, click here the arrow local policies, and after that just open the user right assignment here. Then after you find the user rights assignment on the left side, or I mean on the right side, you will find different options. Just search for shutdown system. So which is, we will go to the bottom and you will find here shut down the system. Just click on it, right click on it and select properties. Then after you find that, click on backup operators. So after you click on the backup operators, click on add users or groups. So here you find a box which is enter the object name to select. So give the name of your computer. So in order to get that, select here advanced and select here find now. And there are lists of names which you will find here. So, and here there is under the administrator Chachi, there are some options. So I'm going to select here Chachi option and select here OK. So here Chachi is added. In your case, if you don't know what is the specific information of your computer, click on your search icon and type control panel. So here the control panel, then open the control panel. And after you open the control panel, you will find here user and accounts. Then you open the user and accounts. Then after that, you will find configure advanced user profile properties. Then open it. So as you can see here, Chachi is the username for my computer, or it's showing me Chachi. So here under the local group policy, I already given the name of Chachi. So select here OK, and select here it's added. As you can see here, it's added. Then select here apply and select here OK, and close your local security policy and check whether the problem is solved or not. And if the problem is still again not solved, the final solution for this video is restoring. So click here the search icon and type here create restore. So here create restore point is available, and after that you will find here system restore, and make sure it's the local disk system is on. Then after that click on system restore, and here recommended restores are available, or choose a different restore. So select here choose a different restore point. So select this one and select here next. So here is a list of restore point. So select this restore point and click next. So it's going to restore you back to that given time of your computer functioning. So these are the solutions on how you can solve your problem related with there are currently no power options available. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.